खड़ा हूँ कैसे मैं यहाँ पे अपना पूछना, दर्द शायरी में तुझको चाहिए सबूत क्या, शिकरी सोच पर जुड़ा हूँ मैं जमीन से, यकीन तुमको ना पर आ गया मैं यकीन से, लाख नफरत है साथ माँ का प्यार है, हंसी उसकी जीत मेरी कैसे जाऊं हार में, काट लो जुबां आंसुओं से गाऊंगा, गाड़ दो बीज हूँ मैं पेड़ पर ही जाऊंगा. So it's the entire thread. So
कुशाल आप भी गाते हैं? वाह, थैंक यू सो मच. कुशाल आप भी गाते हैं?
मैं सुनता हूँ मैम बस. What's up?
Nothing much. How's it been for the two of you? You have a show this lockdown. Kushal's already had a release. So how's it been for the two of you?
Karan, start please.
It's been, I think it's been a mixed bag of emotions because this is not the I mean, I know it's a lockdown that happened, but it's not the vacation that we wanted. Like a lot of us, in fact, you know, like we were shooting for Bebaakee while the lockdown happened, and then suddenly, हमें लगा कि यार कुछ max to max 1-2 हफ्ते का lockdown होगा, लेकिन suddenly turned out to be like 3-4 months, and we were like expecting कि April 1st से हम shooting resume करेंगे, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं हुआ. So it turned out to be a long vacation, something that I wish was cut short, but the situation was such. But I think all of us dealt with it in our own way. We were looking forward to work. ऐसा नहीं था कि हमें पता था कि 5 महीने का, you know, it was like 15 days, 15 दिन. But June,
yeah, एकदम से नहीं बोला. Like next 15 days. So that is doable. That's eatable. You can eat. Okay, 15 दिन बाद होगा. बोलोगे 5 महीने होगा, then people will be shocked. So that was the government's plan, I guess.
I swear. Yeah.
Not to shock.
Because I remember we were on shoot and we were just like sitting like, "Aur chutti kar do, coronavirus fail raha hai. Kal se shooting band kar do, kal se shooting."
Yeah, I remember.
That's what they say. Be careful of what you wish for.
What you wish for, and what you say for.
I mean, but now you guys are getting back to work. So how are you feeling? I'm sure everybody's also a little scared and anxious also.
Well,
but we have to live with it, man.
Yeah, that's true. I think it's something that like I'm doing another show on ZTV, so that started in June already. So I've been shooting for a month and a half already. But after a particular point in time, this entire social distancing element goes for a toss here, because you get so involved in work that sometimes you forget that, you know, there's a pandemic out there. But since it's there, we can do minimal the minimal requisites that we are supposed to. But जो होना है वो होना है यार. लोग घर पे बैठे हैं और उनको इन्फेक्शन हुआ है, जो बाहर घूम रहे हैं उनको नहीं हुआ है. तो I think it's ये अपने हाथ में नहीं है पूरा.
As simple for people, you should just take steam 3 times a day, have kara, build your immune system. That's okay, and go for the war. We have to live with this shit, and we cannot sit at home and just keep on lying at bed. So yes, we have to deal with it, and we have to live with it.
Kushal, have you started like work? Have you been on set? Like, have you started?
No, today we were supposed to resume the shoot first day, but it got cancelled due to some prop things. I don't know. So we are starting from tomorrow because we have to finish our first 10 episodes, and that last 3 episodes are remaining right now. So we have already said the 30th we are coming, but we haven't shot 8th, 9th, and 10th episodes. So yeah. So,
talking about Bebaakee, so I mean, you play Sufyan, the brooding lover. Why have you got, you know, everyone says Kushal and वो brooding lover का image आता है. Why so, yeah?
Yeah, I reckon I was in Thailand. I was doing my Muay Thai training in Thailand, Phuket. And Ekta ma'am called me and, dude, I have written a role for you. And there are only like 2 weird people, like, you know, like you, one is you and one is me. I said, should I take it as a compliment, or what are you trying to say that to me? So what is it? But she's like, dude, you have to do this role, and it's a tailor-made role for you. And that's it. And I respect Ekta ma'am a lot, you know. And the day I met her first when I was doing Hum, okay, when she was narrating, okay, I was in awe of her. The way she narrates, you know, you don't want her to stop talking. And she narrates each and every character, point to point, with every phrase, everything. So I'm a fan of her. And when she gave me this offer, we wanted to do it. And it's, Sufyan is like Bebaakee, Dheet. Nidar,
are you Dheet? Abhiyo?
Meri maa ke liye main Dheet hu. Yes, I am a bit Dheet too. Everybody's Dheet. Everybody's Bebaakee in his own life. And you also Bebaakee. Everyone is Bebaakee in some of the context.
I think because of the name of our web series, a lot of people have actually gone and Googled the word Bebaakee. हमारे वजह से तो आप लोगों को पता चला है कि Bebaakee क्या है.
Everybody means Bebaakee. Everybody needs know what Bebaakee is. Bebaakee होता है ना, Bebaakee पुत्र, Bebaakee शेर. Everyone knows Bebaakee.
But it's something that's
मीनिंग पता चला है कि boldness of desire वो उर्दू का मीनिंग है. Now Bebaki is ढीठ या boldness of desire.
Bebaakee is fearless, nidar, deep. The guy who doesn't fear anything. The guy who's passionate, extremist.
Yeah. So are you all these things?
I'm 75% Sufyan.
So he resonated with you.
Yes, but I am not like I don't do Bebaakee-ish in my reality. I mean, if anybody wants to go, I'll let them go. You know, it's like that. So I am in love context. I am not Bebaakee at all. But otherwise, I am Bebaakee at times. I am Ziddi at times. I am Dheet at times. Even Jotwani is Dheet at times. Ziddi at times. He's Bebaakee. Everybody is Bebaakee. Sorry.
It's okay. So Karan, what about you? Did you relate with Imtiaz, right? Your Imtiaz.
No. Like, Sufyan, like Kushal mentioned that he's 75% Sufi, and I think all of us have a lot of Sufi in us, right? Like a lot of us have it within us. So, when I gave the audition, I asked them what is the role and what is the story. So they told me it's about, it's about Sufyan Kainat, and there's this guy Imtiaz. I'm like, give me a brief on these characters. So Sufyan is like this intense guy who's brooding usually, and he's like this fierce lover. And he's a chick magnet. Everyone's falling over him and all of that. And so as soon as you narrate a story like that to an actor, they're like, "Arey, haan, maybe opportunity milna chahiye aisa role karne ka." Every actor says that. But then again, Imtiaz is someone who's like a total contrast of who Sufi is. Like he's he's not a brooding guy. He's a very honest guy. He's willing to make sacrifices. वो ढीठ नहीं है. He's loyal. He's open to. Juggling relationships and maintaining peace in the family, which is something that, of course, all of us still are in person. But I think most of the actors, most of us are a little more, to ourselves, a little intense. Like, we don't want to come out of this particular closet that we are in of this intensity and the person who we are. So the idea was to relate to Imtiaz. So that was the challenge, because Imtiaz he's not the everyday boy, he's someone who's like a miracle. Like, he just happens really rarely in people's lives. Like, itna acha aadmi kaisa ho sakta hai? To waisa hai. So it took me a while, and then while I was doing scenes, Muzammil sir is a director, so he also told me not to get really animated because, that's not him. I mean, he's an excited guy, but then again, he has his own curbs and limitations and controls over the way he expresses and the way he says things. And he's, of course, a little soft-toned. He's not like a loud guy.
So Kushal, when you play characters like this, because whether it was Behad, whether it's this, there's also an intensity. Does that also, how do you get into the zone?
Earlier, girls are in Behad, the girl was infatuated towards the guy, Arjun. In Unlock, the girl was passionate towards the guy. So I'm playing first time. Basically, I did so much by girls get infatuated with me. So mera Behad pyar ho gaya, mera Bebaakee pyar ho gaya. So I can now intervene the things, three things, Behad, Bebaakee, Unlock. So now I'm playing the later part.
He's playing the mix of the both of them, I think, together in one.
So now you know what it feels, huh? For all your female fans, what it feels for them.
No, dude, Bebaakee is, this role, I always, like, Amy said that every actor wants to do it, because when Wingit was playing Maya, I loved the role, okay? Because you have so much less to put on you, so much less to play, you have so much different things to do, and that's it. Sufyan is a guy who has a wall around him. He has problem with love because his own issues. His dad, mom. He has two stepmothers, like two mothers and all that. So he has his own issue. But when someone breaks that wall, then Bebaakee will start. After breaking the wall and you go from there, then Bebaakee starts. I didn't break the wall. You break the wall. Now you better stay with me, or you are Bebaaked.
Oh God, that's really some intensity. And Karan, I was reading one of your interviews. You said when you once did a role, you got so involved with the character that you actually got depressed. How do you guys switch off? I'm sure, the characters impact you, yeah?
Of course, see, TV as a medium, in fact, is a very monotonous medium. It's a medium where there is no respite. You got to come back in and rejuvenate and rediscover yourself every day. So there was one entire period on that show where I just had to cry. So I was not even using glycerine for a fact. I was trying to bring in the mood, and bringing that mood in TV every day is kind of difficult. But then I told my director firsthand, I'm like, listen, if you really want good performances, you give me my time and my space to get into my zone and then do it. So that happened. I didn't realize that when I slipped into like a form of depression, and I couldn't come out of it because you get so engrossed into it and all, and then you need medical support to you need like guidance, and you need a psychiatrist to just tell you, listen, it's just work, it's not life. And that's how it is. But I think I think everyone has a particular way to come out of it and all. It just depends on the way you're built. That like for a film, if you invest all this much of energy, I think it's great because there's a schedule that's going to end eventually. Like with a web series, it's going to end eventually. But with TV, it doesn't.
Kushal, what about you? Have you ever been impacted by a character so much that it was difficult to shake him off?
I think this is this character that is going to be impacted by the most.
Not till now, ma'am. I was playing myself in every way. I mean, every show which I've played, from Ek Hazaron Mein towards Behad, I was just being myself. I didn't have to act in it, basically, honestly. But I wanted to do work like this, and I don't know if it'll affect me or not, but right now I'm enjoying. And sometimes I feel I'm a bipolar because at times I actually have a wall around me, and at times I don't have a wall around me. So I am also like, I'm the character because I think I'm a bipolar sometimes at times. And people are bipolar, they don't get to know what's bipolar because
I'm sure.
At times my friend says that, dude, what the why are you somebody? Like, what I mean? So I really have talking to you like that nicely. So I don't know myself when I'm giving the wall, why I am like closing my doors or when I'm not closing my doors. So with this, it's because again, like Karan said, kal shoot nahi, schedule nahi. In web series also, you have that of, kabhi cancel ho jata hai. Kabhi there's a day you don't want to, shoot that thing, the particular scene. And that day only they have put that scene. So that psychs you up, that irritates you because, you're not in that mood. And when the dubbing comes, and it's very like, dubbing kar do. Dude, I have shouted now. I cannot shout the way I was shouted that time. I cannot do that, So, yes, again, it's going to work like films more. But yeah, web series also web series. But yeah, at times the production people take it very lightly. And they don't understand the problem of an actor. Like, unko lagta, haan, bhaiya, shoot pura kar, let's do it. But you have to get into that scene. Like, initially, I remember they wanted to do my scene with Kainat, which is 16 episodes on second day. And that time, my mental levels changed. So I cannot do first day 16th episode, which is, I don't have the camaraderie with actors right now. You know what I mean? Yeah. So yeah, some things you have to put your foot down and tell production that, dude, and they listen to you when it's work.
And also, it's very interesting times. I mean, both of your TV stars, because earlier a lot of people from your fraternity said that the film industry looks at TV stars like, ye thoda over the top karenge, inka style kuch hai. But now the lines have blurred.
No, so they need to understand that these are mediums, right? We have various mediums that the audience wants. Like if TV was an OTT, like over the top, the audience wouldn't come and give it. We wouldn't get ratings for a fact. Like, you need to understand that majority of the audience have in India, they want to see, like my mom, when she's seeing a show, her expression is like this. So you can understand what kind of drama that people want to see.
Yeah.
So I think there's a demarcation between people who see web. There's a demarcation between people who see TV and films.
But it's being blurred now.
Eventually, it's not yet there, I believe, but it's going to take some time. But people, I can just hope for that. I think
due to web, it is no. Are you mad or what? Next 20 years, due to web, it's almost
for TV people to turn into like a little webbish will take a while, yeah.
For that matter, TV now, film stars want to come into TV. Who would have thought?
उनको काम नहीं मिलेगा तो TV करेंगे ना.
Karan, she's asking different things. She's asking as an actor कि blur हो गया, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. पहले बोलते थे कि television actors can't act. She said,
over the top, थोड़ा loud होते हैं, वो इस तरह का करते हैं.
Also, I want to add something that if you tell a film actor to come and do a TV show, one day we do 10 scenes at a time. Yeah. We have to memorize those lines. Whereas the number of minutes that we take out in a film is, I think, 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 max. Whereas TV में यार 20-25 मिनट तो यार director को निकालना ही पड़ता है क्योंकि producer फिर profit कैसे कमाएगा?
सही में. जी, सही में.
It's I mean, I can just like tomorrow if you tell us to do a film, like we got the script for Bebaakee a while back. So you're prepared, you're prepped from home, you're reading it, you're coming in on shoot and you're doing it because you have an idea about what's going to happen. With TV, you don't.
Yeah.
But eventually, when film people eventually don't get work, they come to TV only. Yeah. So this entire thing about TV, ये platform है, oh my God, तुम लोग तो OTT हो, भाई तुम आके वही करने वाले हो एक दिन. अगर तुम्हें काम नहीं मिलेगा तो.
नहीं, but अभी सब करना चाह रहे हैं OTT. What do you have to say? That it's, I just feel it doesn't get star-studded.
Everybody wants to do web now. Everybody wants to do web. That's what she's saying now. Even every actor is doing web. That's why it's It's the line is cutting
So
short.
I
But
think
yeah,
what I agree to that. So what has happened during the lockdown, na, the future of OTT that was supposed to be in the next 2 years has come. मतलब बहुत जल्दी पीछे आ गया.
yeah,
मतलब we
yeah,
can.
yeah,
It's like just come back. It's just come to you. Like
yeah.
now
Because
people want to go OTT. Now the mental psyche is that the pandemic has become such a big stigma that you don't want to go to your theater. Theater खोलेंगे भी तो लोग नहीं जाएंगे. तो टीवी तो देख रहे हैं, लेकिन अगर फिल्म अगर ऑनलाइन आपको बैठ के देख पा रहे हो तो देखोगे आप.
So why not?
What is your take on this, Kushal?
Same. I mean, I
Star
always.
system भी आपको लगता नहीं अभी खत्म भी हो जाएगा with OTT? It's so democratic.
Can I tell you honestly, I don't think about all these things. That मैं television actor हूँ कि मैं web series actor हूँ. I'm Kushaltandon. I behave like the way I am. I don't categorize myself in any genre. So I don't think that way. I don't do anything lesser than any actor will do it. I have my own attitude. I have my own persona. I'm not a TV actor. I'm not OT actor. I'm an artist. I'm Kushaltandon. That's it. I don't get into that zone. Yeah.
True. So, but anyways, one thing, I mean, we are seeing a lot of change, a lot of talk happening. One change you two actors seriously want to see in your industry. That one change. आजकल बातें तो बहुत हो रही हैं, वो ही है ना, बातें ही बातें रह जाएंगी मगर solution
shooting time should be 8 hours, man, not 12 hours. First of all, it should be half shift, man. 12 hours is too much. 12 hours shooting cannot be of 12 hours, man. 12 hours shooting, 1 and 2 hours driving, coming down. When you do, shooting should be like a 9 to 5 job. 9 o'clock, 5 o'clock, pack up, or the later evening, whatever shift. Not more than 8 hours like Hollywood. 8 hours, like they should like.
Like universally, I think abroad there's they only do 8 hours. Right?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. 8 hours karna chahiye. That
it's like some 45 hours in a week or something. ऐसे कुछ है या 35 hours or something.
We copy everything from US, Hollywood. So let's copy the time schedule also, bro. Please, 8 hours. Get us 8 hours.
Chalo, mila diya. So, anyways, lastly, what a thing that you both discovered about each other that you want to tell the fans out there.
About each other.
सबको बता दो, अपने फैंस को बता दो, कुशल के फैंस को, करण के फैंस को बता दो. करण कुशल के बारे में, कुशल का.
I think one thing I discovered about Kushal is that
Kushal
is that like he has this humongous persona in him. Like he's got these broad shoulders. He'll come and stand in front of you with like an aura, but then he's got a very, very good heart. Like, what happens is people end up judging you based on the way you look and based on the way you stand and the way you frame yourself and all. But it's only when you get to know somebody a little more. Like, I haven't interacted with them that much also. But the little that I have, I've understood one thing for a fact, that this guy has a really good heart. And he can go out of the way for somebody who he really cares for.
Awesome. तो Kushal आप बताओ.
इसके बारे में मैं क्या बताऊं? बहुत ही अच्छा लड़का है, बहुत ही सुंदर, सुशील.
Matrimonial ad बना दिया.
No, dude. I just want to tell
no wonder the girl is running to him.
I just want to tell him that stop overthinking. You think too much in life. Take it easy. Life is cool. It's chill. Take light.
And Kushal, लोग आपसे डरते क्यों हैं? ये बात बताओ मुझे.
पता नहीं मुझसे डरते क्यों हैं. I don't know. I mean, people who know me, honestly, I mean, they call me a kid. People who don't know me, they call me snobbish, shrewd. And I don't know, like, why. I mean, क्या मैं भूत हूँ क्या काटने आता हूँ किसी को मैंने मारा है कि industry में? What do I do, man? I mean, say it. You can ask. Like the other day, channel, they wanted me to ask for some show. The creative head of the channel called me, and she's like, "We are not calling because we're getting scared. Will you do TV?" I said, "Why are you getting scared? You can ask me." They're scared because of what I'll say no to them on the face. This is stupidness, but. Anyone, it's one should not डरे मत मुझसे. मैं एक स्वीट सा लड़का हूँ, आज्ञाकारी.
सुशील
सुंदर, दोनों सुंदर सुशील लड़के हैं. And lastly, any genre that you both really want to try your hand at now, a role that you really, really want somebody to come.
I want to do next, and I'm on talking terms, something like Mirzapur. Because till now I've played good looking suits and all that. I want to play a rustic where like a raw. I want to play because I'm from UP. I want to talk that language. I want to feel that and say all those things when Mirzapur all the actors do. I want to do something like Mirzapur after this for sure.
Okay. And lastly, Karan, you.
I would definitely Kushal said he wants to do something with this regional area. So, I mean, I'm from Bombay itself. So, I would love to do something like if a Gully Boy 2 is coming up, I would love to audition for it. like get into the entire home feel over here of being a rapper and all. I would love to play a rapper's role someday.
Awesome.
And,
Do you rap?
Let's see.
Do you rap?
I've mugged up the Gully Boy track and all, but I've never really paid heed to it. But after Gully Boy release, I figured out there's a part of me that also likes it.
Oh wow! Do you want to rap a goodbye to all your fans? Give out a message.
खड़ा हूँ कैसे मैं यहाँ पे अपना पूछना दर्द शायरी में तुझको चाहिए सबूत क्या शिकरी सोच पर जुड़ा हूँ मैं जमीन से यकीन तुमको ना पर आ गया मैं यकीन से लाख नफरत है साथ माँ का प्यार है हंसी उसकी जीत मेरी कैसे जाऊँ हार में काट लो जुबां आंसुओं से गाऊंगा गाड़ दो बीज हूँ मैं पेड़ पर ही जाऊंगा. So it's the entire thread. So
कुशाल आप भी गाते हैं? Wow, thank you so much. कुशाल आप भी गाते हैं?
मैं सुनता हूँ मैम बस.
Anyways, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
तो एक कुछ कौन सा गाना वैसे would be apt for the situation that you have lived? इन्होंने तो rap कर दिया. आप कौन सा गाना is like your situation in the past 5
Currently, it's Bebaakee mein, I think.
Everybody is asking me this question. What is the current situation or song?
Yeah, picture बता दो कौन सी picture best?
What is the current situation in my life which I can have a song? There's no particular. There's no song in my life going on like which picturize my thing right now.
No, but I think with regards to him, I think he has multiple songs for different hours of the day.
Yes, like, exactly. Yeah,
multiple personalities.
Kabhi
khush, kabhi sad, kabhi.
When I get up in the morning, I listen to Shiv Shambhu. Then I listen to Vaheguru. Then I'm listening to some rap. Then I'm listening to some Sufi song. Then I'm taking a shower. I'm listening to some Arabic song, which is like very emotional. So it's like it's not particular.
We all need Kushal's playlist.
I shall give it to you.
Thank you guys. All the very best. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Good luck and all the very best. Stay safe.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, Kushal. See you tomorrow. Bye. Thank you.
Bye.